Did you know that there's a natural supplement that's been shown to protect your brain, improve skin health, and even reduce joint pain? It's called Astaxanthin, and it's one of the most powerful antioxidants you've probably never heard of. In this video, we're going to break down everything you need to know about this super compound, including how it works, the science behind it, and how you can incorporate it into your routine for maximum health benefits. Stick with me, and by the end, you'll see why Astaxanthin could be the missing piece to your health puzzle. I'm going to share 5 key reasons why Astaxanthin is so incredible, including some surprising benefits that you might not expect. Stay tuned for these revelations that could completely change how you think about aging and wellness. But the most incredible part about this? Astaxanthin doesn't just target one aspect of your health. It impacts multiple systems in your body. This happens because of its powerful antioxidant properties, but it also has incredible anti-inflammatory effects. And those effects go beyond just the typical health benefits you might expect from other supplements. Let's dive in and take a closer look at why Astaxanthin should be on your radar. Before we start, don't forget to hit subscribe, give this video a like, and tap the bell icon to stay updated with all our latest content. Your support means the world and helps us keep bringing you the best. Now let's dive in. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're someone who's always looking for ways to boost your health, you're definitely in the right place. In today's video, we're talking about Astaxanthin, one of the most powerful antioxidants that you may not be aware of. Now before you tune out thinking, I already take antioxidants, let me tell you, Astaxanthin is in a league of its own. Here's why. It has been scientifically proven to support a wide range of health benefits, from improving cognitive function to boosting your skin's appearance and even protecting your eyes. I'll also share some specific tips on how to incorporate this into your daily routine effectively and how it can complement your lifestyle. If you're someone who wants to maintain your health as you age, or you're an athlete looking for that extra edge, this video is for you. Astaxanthin is not just another supplement, it's a game changer, and today, I'll show you why. Before we dive deeper into how Astaxanthin works, let me share some real-world examples. In a 2023 study, researchers found that Astaxanthin significantly improved cognitive function in older adults, reducing symptoms related to memory loss and cognitive decline. In another study, athletes who took Astaxanthin regularly showed marked improvements in endurance and muscle recovery. The results were consistent across various studies. Whether people were using it for brain health or athletic performance, the findings were impressive. And the best part? It's completely natural. Now let's dive into the 5 key reasons why Astaxanthin is so remarkable. First, let's talk about brain health. Astaxanthin crosses the blood-brain barrier, which is vital for its effectiveness in protecting your brain from the effects of aging. One of the biggest concerns as we get older is cognitive decline, memory loss, brain fog, and even conditions like Alzheimer's. What's amazing about Astaxanthin is its ability to fight oxidative stress in the brain, preventing neuroinflammation and even helping with neurogenesis, the production of new brain cells. Some studies show that it could improve memory and even mood. Next, let's discuss eye health. Astaxanthin has been shown to help prevent damage from UV rays, protect against age-related macular degeneration, and improve visual acuity. It's a powerhouse for your eyes because it helps protect them from oxidative stress, which is one of the key causes of vision problems as we age. In fact, research shows that taking Astaxanthin regularly can reduce eye fatigue, a common issue in our screen-heavy lives. Another major benefit of Astaxanthin is its effect on skin health. It's one of the best antioxidants to fight signs of aging, like wrinkles and sun damage. Astaxanthin can help improve skin elasticity, reduce redness, and even reduce the appearance of fine lines. In a study, participants who took Astaxanthin saw improvements in skin texture and a reduction in the visible signs of aging. It's like a natural sunscreen that works from the inside out. If you're someone who's into fitness or even just looking for more energy throughout the day, Astaxanthin can help boost physical performance. It's been shown to improve endurance, reduce fatigue during workouts, and accelerate muscle recovery. The compound reduces oxidative stress and inflammation in muscles, allowing athletes to train harder and recover faster. If you've been hitting a plateau in your workouts, Astaxanthin could help you break through that barrier. Finally, let's talk about immune health. Astaxanthin is known to improve immune function by reducing inflammation and enhancing the body's ability to fight off infections. It's a potent antioxidant that can help support your immune system, especially during cold and flu season. With its anti-inflammatory effects, it helps your body regulate the immune response, keeping you healthier overall. Now you might be wondering, how exactly do you take Astaxanthin to reap all these amazing benefits? It's actually quite simple. Most Astaxanthin supplements come in soft gel or capsule form, and the recommended dosage typically ranges between 4 to 12 milligrams per day, depending on your health goals. For brain health and cognitive function, you might want to start with a 4 to 6 milligram dose daily. If you're an athlete or someone looking to boost physical performance and muscle recovery, a higher dosage of up to 12 milligrams can be beneficial. The best time to take Astaxanthin is with a meal that contains fat. This is because Astaxanthin is fat-soluble, meaning it's better absorbed when consumed alongside healthy fats like those found in avocado, olive oil, or nuts. Consistency is key. Just like with any supplement, you need to take it regularly to see the full benefits. It's also important to note that because Astaxanthin is derived from natural sources, it's generally considered safe for long-term use. Though, as with any supplement, it's always a good idea to consult with your healthcare provider, especially if you're pregnant, breastfeeding, or taking other medications. You can easily incorporate it into your daily routine, whether it's in the morning with your breakfast or during lunch. Just make sure you're sticking to the recommended dose and pairing it with a fat-rich meal for optimal absorption. While Astaxanthin is generally safe for most people, it's important to be aware of any potential side effects. As with any supplement, some individuals may experience mild side effects, including digestive discomfort such as bloating, gas, or stomach cramps. If you find that you experience any of these, try taking it with a larger meal or reduce the dosage. In rare cases, some people may have an allergic reaction to Astaxanthin, with symptoms like skin rash, itching, or swelling. If you notice any of these symptoms, stop taking the supplement and consult a healthcare professional immediately. Another consideration is the color of your skin. Astaxanthin is a carotenoid, and it can cause a slight reddish-orange tint to your skin if taken in excessive amounts. This is harmless, but it's a good reminder to stick to the recommended dosage. As always, before starting any new supplement regimen, it's wise to consult with your doctor, especially if you're on medication or have pre-existing health conditions. Overall, Astaxanthin is considered very safe, but it's always good to listen to your body and adjust your intake if needed. While Astaxanthin is generally safe for most people, there are certain individuals who should avoid taking it. If you're pregnant or breastfeeding, it's best to avoid it or consult your doctor before using it, as there isn't enough research on its safety during pregnancy and lactation. If you have a sensitivity to seafood or shellfish, you might want to steer clear of Astaxanthin supplements, as they are often derived from marine sources like microalgae. Additionally, if you're on blood-thinning medications like warfarin, Astaxanthin may interfere with these drugs due to its anti-inflammatory properties. It's always important to discuss with your healthcare provider before starting any new supplement, especially if you're managing a health condition or taking medication. Now, you might already be taking other antioxidants like vitamin C, vitamin E, or even turmeric. But here's why Astaxanthin stands out. Unlike vitamin C, which is water-soluble and mainly helps with immune support, or vitamin E, which focuses on skin health, Astaxanthin is a fat-soluble antioxidant that works systemically, meaning it's not just benefiting one area of your body, but multiple ones at once. For instance, when you compare Astaxanthin to other antioxidants for skin health, you'll find that while vitamin C helps with collagen production, Astaxanthin goes further by protecting your skin from UV rays, reducing oxidative stress, and improving skin elasticity. It's like an internal sunscreen, working from the inside out to prevent visible signs of aging. When it comes to brain health, many people turn to supplements like omega-3s or ginkgo biloba. While these are great for cognitive support, Astaxanthin offers superior protection against oxidative stress in the brain and even promotes the growth of new brain cells. This is why it's a top choice for anyone concerned about memory loss or cognitive decline. Now that you know all about the incredible benefits of Astaxanthin, are you ready to try it for yourself? If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more health tips and wellness advice. And if you have any questions, leave a comment down below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. To wrap things up, here's what we've learned. Astaxanthin is a powerful natural antioxidant that has a broad range of health benefits. It protects your brain, improves eye health, enhances skin elasticity, boosts performance, and strengthens your immune system. It's truly one of nature's most amazing compounds. And if you haven't added it to your routine yet, now is the time to start. As the great Hippocrates once said, "Let food be thy medicine, and medicine be thy food." So why not give your body a little extra boost with Astaxanthin? Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more health tips and wellness content. I'll see you in the next video.